LJG, here we go, boy. Get beat. Stephanie, how you doing? So, on my computer, I made a new YouTube channel.
You made a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Do you know what it's called?
What?
LJJ Biking.
LJJ Biking?
No, LJJJ Biking. Yeah, for Lee, Jason, John, Jacob.
Oh, and can you put the videos on YouTube?
Yeah, like right now I'm recording.
Oh, nice.
So when I get home, first thing I'm gonna do is work out how to make my clip art for the background of my computer, and then
Are you gonna post those videos that for people who
can't bike.
For people who do those exercise bikes in their basement but still want to see like the
Yeah, this is our first ever video, and it's for that.
A moving scene for them.
Damn it. Come on, ladies, push those thigh muscles. Just like I could see a 50-year-old, or I could see like a 70-year-old grandma just sitting in the basement just going, yeah, feel the burn. just pedaling on an electric bike.
Pedaling on an exercise bike.
Yeah, here we go. Yeah. Okay, battle pass.
My thing is leaking.
Your thing is leaking?
Yes, it was making my leg wet.
That sounds pretty weird. Can you explain for us what was making your leg wet?
This thing, because it was leaking.
Okay, good. I was hoping it was your camel backpack. Totally not a sponsor. And Stephanie, Jason, sweet Cheez-Its, do not ride in the middle. Oh shit, I'd rather ride in the middle. Sorry guys that the camera's a little bit shaky. I'm getting a body camera soon. We will win, that's all.
Let's go down this way.
Almost hit a tree. My back tire almost spun out. Should we go on this one?
Straight back, Jake.
Man. Not fun, Johnny. So I was making a YouTube channel.
The what?
I was making a YouTube channel while you guys were strapping on the bikes.
Nice.
You wanna know what it's called? LJJJ. No, it's called LJJJJ. For Lee, Jacob, Jason, John.
Nice.
And it told me I had to add it in the last name, so I just put biking. This is a pretty peaceful trail right here. I love it. You guys have to come out to Poland. It's a great place. Now, this is gonna be the hard part here. And me water bottled it.
Yeah, I lost it.
We're getting up to the tower for bits. I'm not a very experienced mountain biker, but I do know how to mountain bike. The people who I've been riding with, like the guy right in the front there, that's my uncle. And I know in the description it said 4 friends.
Not bad, this is back there, you know? Price point's still in existence. Is it? Price point and Nashmore's got really good deals too. How about Supergo? Huh? A couple of them.
And then the guy who's in front of me, that's my dad. And the kid who's all the way up there, his name is Jason. He's my cousin. Now, just a little back history on why I started this YouTube channel. I said we should create a gang called LJJJJ. Because my uncle's name is Lee, my dad's name is John, and my name is Jacob. Jason! And his name is Jason. Right now I think we're... What?
We'll wait till they catch up.
Especially friggin' Jason. Oh, we're going on...
That's just a dead end right there.
We're going on Tornado. Call him like a dog, you know? I want to make sure my GoPro doesn't fall off.
Right here, Jason.
Jason, turn right there.
Turn left.
Alright, so I know you guys are getting bored. Sorry that I dropped you guys, but I'm in the lead right now. It's getting pretty rough back here. We are on Tornado Trail, which means there's going to be unexpected twists and turns and all that jazz. Because if you guys ever saw a tornado, Jason, you're gonna have to go across a...
Come on.
I know.
Don't fall off.
Come on, Jason. I want to see Jason fail. Or if he does fail, I want to see him.
Hey, cuddle.
Come on, Jake, go.
Come on.
Dang it.
Of course we have to go through the swampy areas today, guys, because nothing, I'm talking to the camera, Dad. Oof, shit. By the way, you guys, if you're looking for some family-friendly biking, we sometimes swear when something big happens. Oof. Watch your tires. So in this video I'm 13. My dad's 48. Jason's like 16 or 17, I don't really know. And my uncle, I don't know him that well. Where shall we go?
This way.
Okay. My dad's back. Ooh. My nuts. What? We waited for them long enough. That was a close freaking encounter, guys. Dang. That tree was close. Come on, Jason, pedal the whole way. I almost hit that tree. Huh? I said I almost hit that tree. Oh, shit's nipple. What popped? Did something pop? Because we have Band-Aids and alcohol pads. Oof. I'm happy to be off this trail, you know?